I thought you were gonna throw it to Grundy. Oh, you want a drink of my tea? Easy, Bubba. Drink all my tea.
Me?
You gonna drink it? Don't drink all my tea. My tea. Oh, get it, Grundy. Oh, Grundy's got it. Bubba, gotta go get it.
No.
Why not?
Daddy won't give me this.
That's right. Grundy will run forever with that ball. Can I have a hug?
My get him.
Oh, you're gonna get him? All right, go get him. Surprise attack. Uh-oh, what happened? A shoe come off?
A football shoe come off.
Oh, your football shoe came off. I don't think that's a football shoe. I think it's a Lightning McQueen flip-flop.
Some more.
You want more? What do you say?
Tea.
Okay. Get the football, Bubba.
Give me that football.
Hit me in the leg, dude.
Get it from up here.
Yeah, he can. I've seen him jump higher than that.
Uh-huh. He can get up, jump on here.
Well, throw it. Throw the football. All right, say bye.
Bye, Papa.